Good morning, class. Today we're looking at not only fractions but equivalent fractions, and to do so I know how much everyone loves watermelon here. So I've decided we're going to introduce our equivalent fraction using watermelon. How can a watermelon be teaching us fractions, you ask? Let's take a look. So here we have one full piece of watermelon. So this image represents one whole. But if we have two students who want one equal piece of watermelon each, we would then have to cut our full piece of watermelon into two equal halves, because one whole is the same as two equal halves, as you can see. What was that? 4 students want an equal piece of watermelon. Okay, so if we started off with one whole piece of watermelon and 4 students wanted an equal piece each, we would then have to share out our watermelon to 4 pieces. So each student would get one equal part of the watermelon piece each. So as we can see, 4 equal parts of a watermelon is the same as one whole. Or even better, if we take 2 quarters away, we can now see that 2 equal quarters is the same as one half. Wow! I knew everyone loved watermelon, but now 8 students want an equal piece of watermelon. So we would have to share out our one whole piece of watermelon by 8 students who want an equal piece each. Let's see if we can do this. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count together. 6, 7, and 8. So we can do it. We now have shared our watermelon into 8s. So we can now compare that one whole is the same as 8 eighths, and each piece is called 1/8. So each student will be receiving 1/8 of a watermelon slice, but we can also see that 4/8 is equal to 1/2. So if we popped the half there, we can see that 4 equals pieces of watermelon, or 4/8, is the same as 1/2. Or we can even show that 4/8 is equal to 2 quarters. So we can all now see that although equivalent fractions have the same value, even though they may look different.